Hello guys, in previous videos we learned how to create brand awareness campaigns on Facebook, how to get more followers, and how to get website visits as well. Today we'll be learning lead generation. Before that, when we check the previous work of the students, so here what I found is, so I gave a two tasks. If you're working for Karachi Bakery, how you work, and if you're working for a matrimonial project, how you gonna work. So here is one student Salim has done. Karachi Bakery, he wants to target 18 to 64 years people, and Hyderabad 25 kilometers surrounding, and all genders. So he targeted by the location, age, gender. Also, he used the interest options because instead of reaching everybody, some people might not be interested in the cake and all. Based on their activity, Facebook might have divided them into interest based. So he tried to capitalize that with the help of interest. Wedding cake, Domino's pizza, cupcake, bakery, these all interest option he has used. Now, there is a good chance that Facebook tried to show his Karachi bakery ad to the people who may convert. So this is the good option. Now he showed me the ad as well. So this is the ad he has created. Yeah. So this is the creative, the Karachi Bakery logo, and this is his thing, and call to action button also mentioned, and this is his primary text. Everything is fine, pretty good ad this is. And this appears in different feeds here. Desktop, it looks like this. Even in desktop as well. General search, marketplace, Instagram feed. So these are different placements. Explore and in the videos as well. Next, when it comes to matrimony ad, he was targeting the people 22 to 45 and people who match love, legal separation, self-love, divorce, and all. So the first marriage and second marriage, both he targeted, and his ad was like this. So what I'm saying is this is not correct. He could have created two campaigns, one for the first marriage, like first time they're getting married, 22 to 30 or 35, 36. But some people, due to reasons, they have a divorce or widows will be there. For them, this matrimony service is for them as well. Then you could start from 35 to 45 who are going for a marriage again, who are in separate or divorce, these kind of things. Apart from that, everything was fine. Okay. Today, we're going to learn lead generation. Manager. Let's take example, the same digital marketing course. This is one example. Or else a real estate business. Real estate business where they're selling 2-bedroom, 2 BHK flats they're selling. Or open plots, or 2 BHK, 3 BHK flats they're selling. What they need is leads. They don't want people to click on the link and go to the website, watch the video. No, they want directly lead. Some industries, they need leads so that they'll take care. They keep on touching them, they find the conversion, what it might be. At the time, what kind of campaigns you will use? So brand awareness campaign is waste, followers campaign is waste. And instead of the website, directly you can go for a lead generation campaign. So here is the beauty of Facebook. Facebook directly have a campaign in such a way that your ad is appearing. And when you click on some call to action button, when you click on call to action button, instead of going to the website, here only one pop-up will come. That pop-up will ask you your name, your phone number, your email ID. Done. So directly, the marketer will get a lead. Then only customer will go to the website. Again, it's up to you whether he go to the website or not. This is a beautiful option. You're getting a lead without leaving Facebook. You're getting a lead because people came to social media for entertainment purpose. They don't want to leave the social media. They want to stay here only. So Facebook wants to give them that kind of experience. That's why they started the Facebook lead generation. Any company working, this is going to be mandatory. They'll be asking you lead generation. Do you know the lead generation campaign or not? So how to do that, we're going to learn today. It's pretty similar, same like this, but one extra layer will be there. By the time of creating an ad, one more option will come. So let me show you. Create. This is not awareness, traffic, or engagement. Directly, this is lead ad. Here, lead means right side, you can see instant forms, messenger, conversion, calls. We'll go for instant forms. So many real estate companies have registered this. They got very good leads and they converted also, they're happy. So campaign name, lead generation. I know that I'm doing for digital marketing. So if it is for real estate, credit, employment, housing, property listing, home insurance, mortgages, ads for property listing, there is a possibility of to choose this, but I'm doing for digital marketing. I'm not selecting these options. Yes, one ad set. Now here, again, if I want, I can send the people to the website, generate leads through website. But here, a customer will leave Facebook. Now directly, people can come back to your messenger and chat, calls, app, instant forms and messenger. This is the good one. Instant forms is the best one. And one more step you have to do, you have to accept the terms and conditions. Why? Because you're taking customers' data. So you're not going to misuse that. So you have to accept the terms and conditions. This is what they explain. What the data you're giving, should not sell that. Just accept the terms and conditions. Otherwise, it will not approve. And you just see here how much amount you want to spend. When you spend 800 rupees, is guaranteeing you that I'm going to give you 14 to 39 leads only. It's not telling you that this many people come to your website. It's telling you that this many leads will come to you. That's a good one actually. Whereas a Google is expensive than the Facebook. Facebook is much cheaper, but there is some difference. I'll tell you later. The quality of the leads is much different on the Google and Facebook, because Google is a intent-based marketing. People are searching and coming back. Means they have intention to buy it. Obviously, quality will be more actually. But here, people are just browsing. They are in an entertainment mood. So the quality of the leads might not be that much great. Now let me increase the number. Now see the leads also increasing. Okay. Now if, throughout India, now if I close this, let's see whether the leads will come down or not. I want to target Hyderabad. When it comes to digital marketing, you want to start from 21 to 35. It came down. And when it comes to detailed targeting, interest based, so what I'm targeting is BBA and MBA marketing people only I will target. BBA and suggestions, MBA marketing, BCom. Right. So I filtered the audience so that my ad will go to the relevant audience. Or else I could have used the saved audience. Previously, if I have a saved audience, I can use the saved audience as well. Yeah, here saved audience was there, Hyderabad 21 to 36. Already marketing students was there. I cannot use this as well. It's your targeting name. Now placements, automatic from Facebook. Instead of that, I want to go for manual, Facebook and Instagram. And one thing, marketplace is waste. So let me keep the stories. In stream, I don't want. In article is waste. So this time I want to go more audience, but some irrelevant things I'm removing them. Now in stories also man will appear. Next. So these are all pretty same. We've done the same. Only the accepting, but one more option will be coming here. Make sure that you link your Facebook page to your Instagram account. And when it comes to add, here single image ad or carousel ad. Let me upload that image. And it. Let me take some image here. And people forgot this primary text. Some people, it's important because you're giving more information, because with the image we're giving more time to the more space to the image only, so it's less, so you can convey that message here. Keep on writing, you'll be very fast anyway. And here, call to action. What kind of call to action you want to give? It's up to you. Sign up or apply. So sign up is more suitable so that they will fill in the details here. Here headlines and description. % job guarantee. Limited seats. Creating urgency here. Yeah. Everything is same, we've done, but only one thing is choose or create an instant form for your lead generation campaign. This is what important here. So the instant form we have to create. So there is an option called create a form. So I'm selecting this form and I'm creating a form here. So here you have to finish all these options, then it will come in. Again, here are also two options are there. Are you looking for more volume or higher intent? So by default, more volume will be there. You will get more leads. But what happens in Facebook? Whenever you created a form like your name, email ID, phone number, I think sometimes you made a purchase on Instagram or you filled a form on Instagram, it will remember your name like Pavan, Kwetpalli, and the number. So next time when these kind of forms will come, automatically it will fill everything. Pavan was browsing, suddenly learned digital marketing 100% job. He just click on the form. Okay, option, you're done. You're not even conscious that whether you fill the form or not because of the autofill forms. Because of this, more leads will come to the advertiser. Now, advertiser will be in a dilemma or in an impression that, okay, I'm getting more leads, but the quality of the leads not. It's a matter. When you call them, when I call Pawan says that I never fill your form, man. Who are you? But when you go for the higher intent one, when Pawan clicked on that 100% job, one more OK option will come. Unconsciously clicked on that, but one more window will come. Pawan, see, you are giving your details to Subhash Mangalam, who is a marketer, and he wants to approach you regarding the digital market. Are you sure? Then no, I don't want to give this data to him. He'll close it. Now what happening? Unqualified leads, I'm filtering out actually. So your company owner is asking that I don't care the quality, I want more volume, just go for it. But company owner says that I want quality one. If I get one also, quality one, go for these options. In this, you will get less leads, but quality leads. In this, you get more, but not qualified leads. So remember this because of the autofill forms. Right. Now, I have this thing. What kind of intro I give? What questions you're going to ask? What is your privacy? And after completion, what option will come? Intro. If you want, you can add a background image that can be taken from your, by default, it should take from image, but it didn't take. So I'm manually uploading it. And what is your headline? right? Then what kind of questions you're asking? See, email and full name. By default, Facebook give an option of customer can give his name and email. Remember, you can add n number of questions here. So here, email and full name. You can click on plus, contact fields, phone number, add category, city. I can take n number of things here, or else user information, demographic questions. What is date of birth? If you keep on adding more, generally user experience in such a way that if one field is there, 99% of the people fill. 2, 90%. 3, 85%. If it is 6, nobody will fill the form because people don't have patience. So don't try to add n number of things actually. So this date of birth, city is not important for us. What you need is name, email, phone. These are mandatory. So it's all based on the customer patience actually. So don't try to, according to research, if you add more columns over here, people never show interest to fill it. So try to reduce as much as possible. But here, mandatory thing is I need his email ID and phone number is mandatory. Okay. So email ID, sometimes if they give phone number wrong as well, you can catch him on email ID. And whenever you contacting him, at least you should address him with the proper name, right? So these three are mandatory. That's why I'm using this, right? So description here. Here one description. Before he fills the form, you have to write something here. So let people know how the information they give you will be used or shared. See some examples. So you are going to tell them that I'm not going to misuse your data. I'm not going to torture you. I'm going to use your data only for contacting purpose. See some examples how they've used. See, we will use your information to send you our weekly newsletters. We will use your information to contact you about our events. We may also share your data with our partners who may get in touch with you about their products and services. So clearly mentioning, based on that, the customer will decide whether to give the data or not. So I'm writing here, we will use your information only for purpose. This is mandatory again. If you don't give this, error message will come. It is you have to give privacy. Now you might understand that to run this lead generation ads, people are filling the form on the Facebook itself. There is no need of website. But according to rules, you should have a website. And in your website, you should have a privacy policy page. It's very easy to create a privacy policy page. So just give that link. But if you don't have, if you give home page also, it's working because Facebook is not checking properly. But it's always good to have a privacy policy page on your website. So some customers are different customers will be there. They'll be checking the privacy policy. For them, it's good to give. Okay. Finally, completion. Once it is finished, thank you. You're all set. You can visit our website or exit the home now. Thank you very much. Let's customize. Thank you very much for your interest. Our team will get back to you. So then they can come back to our website. What are the link you give? It will go there. Right? Now let me click on publish. Because we finished everything, it is successful. Otherwise, it would have created problem. Now again, if I click on this form, see how it will be. Initially, when our customer saw this ad, when he click on sign up, immediately this will come. Online digital marketing course, learn digital marketing, get job in T1s. Next, this field. Once you fill the form, privacy, once you submit, that's it. It's finished. We're gonna publish the campaign. and within 24 hours ad will be live, and you already have a budget. Based on that, whatever Facebook has promised, those leads keep on coming. 20 leads or 30 leads. Those all leads you can see in the campaign itself. I'm going to show you where you will see the leads. Previously, I've run so many campaigns like this. We got so many clients as well. But the only thing is, when it comes to Facebook leads, leads will come. You should have a proper follow, then it will convert. I told you, right? Some non-qualified leads are also coming actually. If you properly follow up them, you will create interest towards them, and slowly you can get, because you have their email ID, keep on sending them newsletters. You have phone number, text message, calls, or else ask them to follow up on your social media. There you do a lot of branding. Somehow you will be creating awareness of the product so that customer never feel like he is very new to your product. So sales will happen. So 1 second, it's taking time. So I'll show you where it's in draft, where you will find the lead here. So this is the campaign level. You have to click on the campaign. Again, you have to click on ad set. At the ad level, you will see here 0 active, here highest volume leads. How many leads are there? You can see 21, 22, 23, the leads will be there. When you click on that, there will be an Excel sheet. Okay, if you click on that, that Excel sheet will be downloaded. There you will see all the leads, name, email ID, phone number. You can start calling them. Or else some people have a CRM. Directly you can link these leads to the CRM. Now CRM will take care of everything, sending text message and all. So soon I'm also taking CRM. I'll be explaining you future CRM as well. So I'm purchasing Zoho CRM, which is awesome. Here a lot of automation works here. Human intervention is less. Now I told you, right, I was live without I'm being active. Here my intervention is less. So automatically the work is on there. In the same way, Zoho as well. Once you set up a Facebook ads, automatically it will come to the Zoho CRM. Now what this CRM will do, immediately after the lead comes, you will be having the funnels here. Once we got a lead, immediately send him an email. Thank you very much, Pawan, for showing interest on digital marketing course. Now we have 2 months course and 6 months course. Which one you are interested? Now customer will be engaging. Okay, some SMS will go, and based on whether he opened the email or not, it will create different threads actually. So this is very big actually. I'll be explaining in the future how to use the CRM. This is going to be well. If you add this skill in your resume, it works really well. Okay, the CRM part is next. We'll be learning it. Today we'll learn about how to create a lead generation campaign. Guys, any questions today? Everything is fine? Harsha, everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
Mohan?
Yes, sir.
Pawan?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Manindra?
Yes, sir.
Salim? Sushmita, any questions?
No, sir.
Tanushka?
No.
Usha, you came late today.
Yes, sir. Power cut, sir. That's why.
Okay, okay. So again, check with Pawan and the previous task and try to finish it.
Okay, sir.
Now, tomorrow task is, again, let me take one real estate campaign only. Okay. Either you are selling the 2 BHK flats or open flats. Select some ventures and you want to run the lead generation campaign. And what I want is not only the ad, I want targeting. Whom you are targeting is very important for me. I want to see that. Finally, I want ad preview as well, whether it is success or not. And I want this screenshot as well. I want this screenshot as well. Apart from the preview, should be able to come here as well. Okay. Right. So this is really important. We're coming closer and future will be learning more about the business manager, Pixel. Once it is done, I'll be dividing you people into two groups. I'll be giving you budget. Then based on the campaign, you can choose whether you want to create a brand awareness campaign or lead generation. It's up to you. I'm going to give some budget. I want to compare both teams, which team gave me more profit than the other team. Whether you generated a leads or not, whether you converted me or not, we're gonna learn. So once we finish all the topics, like creating a pixel, the remarketing one, business manager, then we'll go for maybe three to four classes. Definitely, you'll be enjoying the live campaigns. Okay, keep practicing. As I said, spend more time on this. And if you want more help on business.facebook.com/help. So Facebook gave so many options here. If you don't understand one lead generation campaign, you don't know what kind of ad types are there, everything they gave here. Account settings, marketplace, groups, pages. Here, let's see ads. How ad works on Facebook. Facebook account, ad preferences, so many things are there. Facebook ads. Everything clearly they mentioned. I'll find the right link and I'll share with you. That's it, guys. Tomorrow, 6 o'clock, we'll see you. That's it. Thank you very much.